Today we will have a look at two different flat earthers. The topic of today is using other flat earthers as experts on things they don't know anything about. And the other example is flat earth stupidity. There is no limits for how stupid things flat earthers can say. So, let's get on with this dumpster fire. And don't worry, this will be a shorter video. So, hope you can stand all stupidity in this video.
Many people consider celestial navigation as the #1 proof of the flat Earth, and they could be right.
No, they are wrong, and it's not many people who believes that. It's many flat earthers. And what do they have in common? They know nothing about navigation.
But I still like my long-distance observations.
Where you only succeeded with proving the globe.
Celestial navigation refers to the practice of a navigator using angles to the apparent positions of celestial objects in the sky to determine his location on the Earth's surface. Celestial navigation has been used for thousands of years by various civilizations to safely navigate oceans and other large bodies of water. Furthermore, nautical maps were built on these celestial angle measurements. Without question, all angle measurements require a flat baseline. Therefore, celestial navigation can only work on a flat Earth. It's that simple.
No, it's simple to understand that that's a lie. All navigation is based on a globe.
Let's spend a few minutes and watch a couple of video clips to get a better understanding of this evidence. The first clip is an old instructional video from the United States military. Notice that even though the video falsely uses an image of a globe for the instruction, the circles are still flat, which is impossible on a globe.
The circle is flat and it's impossible on a globe. Oh dear, is there no limits for Tabbo Conspiracy's stupidity?
The second video comes from the channel Mitchell from Australia.
And he is experienced in navigation. Of course not.
The third clip is from Rob Durham's channel.
One more flat earther without any experience of navigation.
And the last video is from Nathan Oakley, 1980, and Flat Earth Debate.
Nathan mute button Oakley that perhaps can navigate from his living room to the kitchen, and on the panel he often have the navigation expert. Brian's not so logic. So, it's obvious that Tabbo have no example of real navigators that agree with his silly claims. Let's move on to the next dumpster fire. It's Flatzoid and his friend on his panel. This time they are watching one of Professor Dave's videos.
Flat Earth stuff, and so let's go ahead and react to it. So I'm going to start now.
You're a flat earther, aren't you?
Absolutely.
Lord Jamar is a flat earther, everyone. Why are you a flat earther, sir?
Because it's ridiculous to think that someone can live on a ball, to think that water could wrap itself around a spinning ball, to think that people could be on the bottom of a fucking ball and be upside down because some magical thing called gravity is allowing it to happen.
So the water...
Okay. All right. So we're starting here.
Why not?
This will never not be funny to me. This is the first thing that he decided to bring up, and it just shows how unbelievably stupid he is. This is what makes me like. This is what's funny about it.
It actually shows how unbelievably naive you still are.
They don't understand.
Yeah. It's like, this is what the thing is. The reason he starts with it is because the globe is so unbelievably stupid.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's the way that flat earthers, how can I say, ridicule the globe, because it's idiotic to think you got someone standing antipodal from you.
Exactly. Antipodal, standing his up is opposite from your up. You know what I mean? If he jumps, he's jumping away. You jump at the same time. You're jumping away from each other. Ridiculous. And you both land down. No.
Yeah, and you know what's sad about that? This antipodal business has never been verified or observed. You can't observe it. Why? Earth's too big.
But when they've got all these pictures taken in space, taking real pictures of Earth, why can't they show the ship on the side of a ball and the plane above another part of the ball, or a ship on the other part of the ball, or a plane, both, whatever?
So he wants a satellite to take an image of a plane on one side of the globe and on a ship on the other side of the globe. Oh dear, this is too stupid. But will Flatzoid react to this one? Let's listen.
You know what I mean? They should be able to show that with today's
Well, the angular size is too small, so you can't pick it up.
This is a satellite image on a Russian oil tanker that avoiding the embargo against Russian oil. It's taken by the civilian Max-R satellites. So the angular size is not too small. So Flatzoid didn't understand the problem with the suggestion about airplanes and ships. Oh dear.
But what I find really astonishing is they can pick up a galaxy cluster or a star for trillions of miles away.
Exactly.
But they can't pick up a ship or something with a satellite only a few 100 kilometers away.
Those hit Russian ships are photographed by the Maxar satellite. So, of course, you can photo ships from satellites.
Exactly. They should be able to zoom in that ship, zoom out, then zoom to the bottom of the ball and zoom in a plane flying upside down.
No planes are flying upside down. Wait a moment, I have videos of airplanes flying upside down. So there we have it, I have proven that airplanes can fly upside down. It's obvious that there's no limits for all demands of what they call proofs for a globe. This is so silly.
It's amazing. They always have very selective proofs for their globe.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But anyway, yeah, Lord Jamal is just making fun of your idiotic globe claims. That's all he's doing. Because it's ridiculous to think someone's standing antipodal to you on your globe.
Absolutely. Is that... It looks like Witsit he's got in his wall, but in...
It does.
It looks like Witsit, but in Simpson style.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder.
Weird.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a surveillance video on my computer that shows Flatzoid's home. So what is mysterious with Professor Dave having some cartoons on the wall? Everything is a conspiracy, of course.
How water can wrap around a ball and how something can hang on to the bottom of a ball because it's supposed to fall off of the bottom of the ball. The reason these guys think that is because they're imagining holding a globe on the earth where things would fall down to the ground
No,
of the Earth.
no.
Okay. Well,
I don't imagine that at all. I imagine how they tell me it is, and I still think it's nonsense. Yeah.
okay. I can understand what he's saying here. Okay, because it is based on a straw man, just like I told Kent.
Yeah.
Because according to them, we're on the Earth with a large mass. So your ball that you're holding has little mass, so you can't expect it to stick it. But the issue you have, guys, is it's not observable. The claim you're making is not observable, and it goes against the physics of water.
And they didn't understand Dave's explanation. And of course, it's not against the physics of water. And you have to observe to see things to believe them. How about your religious beliefs, Flatzoid? Okay, I have to stop here because my brain boils because of all stupidity. Hope you liked the video. I will be back soon. Have a nice day. Bye.